How to create an Amazon EC2 Linux web server. Learning objectives. How to install Apache web server on EC2 Linux instance. Learn to run user data shell script to provision a web application. Log on to your AWS Management Console. Find the EC2 services using the search bar and click on it. In the left navigation bar, click on Instances. After moving on to the Instances page, click on Launch Instances. In the Choose an Amazon Machine image, click on Amazon Linux 2 AMI and select it. Moving on, choose the T2 micro instance type. In the Configure Instance Details page, choose any subnet of your choice and enable the auto-assign public IP option. Scroll down and in the user data copy-paste the bootstrap script in the given area. You can find the script in the description below. Move on to Add Storage and keep the default settings as such, and move on to add the needed tags. Click on Add Tags and give the key as name and add the name of your Linux web server in the Value tab. Click on Configure Security Group and create a new security group, and since we are creating a web server, click on Add Rule and add HTTP rule and click on Review and Launch. Scroll down and click on Launch. Select a key pair to be used and acknowledge the same. To create a key pair, take a look at our previous video. Link is provided in the description. Now your instance launch has been initiated, and click on View Instances to view the created instance. After refreshing for a few times, your instance will be in the running state and would have had its status check done. Select the instance and now go down and copy its public IPv4 address. Open a new tab and paste the address. That's it. The message is visible and you have your Linux web server running. If you no longer need this instance, make sure to terminate the instance. Click on drop-down menu besides Actions button. Select the instance state and click on Terminate. This will terminate your instance. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.